There is a prevailing notion that we are living in an era of exponentially accelerating technological progress, which will lead to rapid, transformative impact in the coming decades.
Is this idea of accelerating change a myth? Neil deGrasse Tyson, the famous astrophysicist, has an interesting YouTube video, Living in Times of Exponential Growth. In this video, Tyson explores the exponential growth of technological advancements, examining 30-year periods, since 1870, with an emphasis on the United States. He highlights how exploration and discovery have transformed our lives, from the invention of the railroad to the mapping of the human genome. Tyson emphasizes the difficulty of predicting the future due to the exponential nature of technological advancement. Nevertheless, he expresses optimism about the potential for future advancements and their impact on humanity.
Is technology accelerating exponentially, really? Among others, Ray Kurzweil, arguing that the pace of progress is speeding up exponentially across many technologies due to virtuous cycles, with innovations enabling further innovations. Key examples include Moore's law and parallel exponential growth in computer processing power, AI capability, and more that may lead to the singularity around 2045. Accelerating pace of human evolution and adaptation enabled by new technologies. Exponential growth curves in many areas from supercomputing to biotech to digital storage. These exponential trajectories persist. The future holds the potential for transformative changes, including human-AI collaboration, digitally enhanced human beings, and superintelligent machines shaping the cosmos.
Recently, Marc Andreessen, the famous venture capitalist, wrote the Techno-Optimist Manifesto. He asserts in his manifesto, technology is a powerful tool for good, driving progress, improving lives, and offering solutions to global challenges. Intelligence, energy, and technological advancement are the keys to creating a future of abundance for everyone. We should embrace technological progress and work towards accelerating its arrival. Myth of acceleration. However, there are some like Robert D. Atkinson who argue that exponential growth of technology is a myth fueled by hype, misperception, and historical amnesia. In 2019, Robert wrote in an article, "Technology feels like it's accelerating because you've been watching too many TED Talks." His main criticisms are: there is no good evidence that the pace of progress is faster than previous periods in history. Indicators like productivity, patents, and economic growth do not show acceleration. Much slower adoption of emerging tech than predicted. Tendency to exaggerate change due to media hype, confirmation bias, and misremembering the past. Rather than exponential, progress may be uneven, with periods of rapid change alongside stagnation. We must be cautious of both exaggerated techno-optimism and doom-mongering.
There is some truth to this type of realism. Like this phrase, "The future remains uncertain, it is up to us to make it brighter." Look at the stock market. Technology companies growing the most? Yes. Are they the most valuable companies in the world? Yes. I am a techno-optimist. Whether for learning, investing, or creating, I think technology has an immense potential to make a difference in the world. Debate surrounding exponential technological growth highlights both the immense potential and inherent challenges associated with rapid technological advancement.